Most people over 60 believe dry eyes are just an annoying part of aging, something minor you tolerate with drops and move on. But what if that belief is incomplete? What if dry eyes are not the problem at all but an early signal of deeper changes happening inside your body? Here's the mystery most seniors never hear. Long before eyes feel painfully dry, the body has already been warning you in quieter ways, and food plays a larger role than doctors usually explain. The first clues often appear subtly: slight burning at night, blurry vision that clears after blinking, a gritty feeling that comes and goes. These signs feel harmless, temporary, but millions of older Americans are experiencing the same pattern, and the reason traces back decades, not months. To understand why dry eyes worsen after 60, we need to follow a strict cause and effect timeline that begins much earlier in life. The origins of the issue often start in early adulthood. In your 20s and 30s, tear production is strong and resilient, but lifestyle habits begin shaping future eye health. Diets low in omega-3 fats, antioxidants, and vitamin A slowly weaken the tear film. At the same time, chronic dehydration becomes normalized. According to U.S. nutrition surveys, many adults consume less than recommended fluids for years. The cause seems small, the effect accumulates silently. By the 40s, changes begin quietly. Hormonal shifts reduce oil production from the meibomian glands, tiny glands along the eyelids that keep tears from evaporating too fast. Screen time increases, blinking rates drop, inflammation rises. Research published in American ophthalmology journals shows that tear quality declines in middle age long before people feel discomfort. This is the second clue most people miss. Dry eyes are often caused by poor tear quality, not lack of tears. Then comes the shift after 65 that most people ignore. The body's anti-inflammatory defenses weaken. Nutrient absorption becomes less efficient. According to the National Eye Institute, nearly 30% of adults over 65 report chronic dry eye symptoms, and the number rises sharply with age. Medications for blood pressure, allergies, and depression commonly used by seniors further reduce tear production. The cause is cumulative. The effect finally becomes noticeable. Here's where suspense builds. Many seniors treat the symptom but never ask why it keeps getting worse. Artificial tears help briefly, then stop working. Eye exams show nothing serious, but the underlying issue continues. The breaking point occurs when dryness begins affecting daily life. Reading becomes tiring. Driving at night feels unsafe. Eyes water excessively not from moisture, but from irritation. This paradox confuses people. The body is overreacting to dryness, flooding the eyes with poor quality tears. According to large U.S. eye health studies, this stage is where quality of life drops sharply. The fallout goes beyond vision. Chronic dry eye increases the risk of eye infections, corneal damage, and even falls due to visual strain. Medical costs rise, productivity drops. For seniors living alone, this can quietly reduce independence. What started as mild irritation becomes a daily burden. Many older adults try failed fixes because of old advice. They rely solely on eye drops. They assume dryness is inevitable. They avoid fats entirely because of outdated dietary fears. But aging science has revealed something critical. Nutrition directly influences tear composition and eye surface health. This brings us to the missing piece: foods that restore moisture naturally by addressing the root cause, not just the symptom. Research shows that omega-3 fatty acids reduce eye inflammation and improve tear stability. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines consistently rank among the most effective foods for dry eyes. Large American studies link higher omega-3 intake with fewer dry eye symptoms in older adults. Leafy greens like spinach and kale provide lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect eye tissues from oxidative stress. These nutrients accumulate in the retina and support long-term eye health, especially after 60. Eggs play a surprising role. The yolk contains vitamin A and zinc, both essential for tear production. Many seniors avoid eggs unnecessarily, missing a key nutrient for eye moisture. Nuts and seeds, especially flaxseed and chia seeds, support oil gland function. Just small daily amounts can improve tear film quality over time. Citrus fruits and berries provide vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessels in the eyes and supports tissue repair. This helps reduce irritation and redness. Finally, hydration-rich foods like cucumbers and soups matter more than people realize. Mild chronic dehydration is common in older adults and directly worsens dry eye symptoms. Link this to today. Across millions of seniors in the United States, the same pattern repeats. Dry eyes are treated as a surface problem, while the cause lies deeper: inflammation, nutrition, and aging physiology. So, what can you do right now? Here are 3 direct actions people over 60 can apply today. First, include omega-3 rich foods at least 3 times per week. Second, eat one eye-supporting antioxidant food daily, such as leafy greens or berries. Third, prioritize hydration through both fluids and water-rich foods, not just drinking when thirsty. Here's the clear warning based on evidence. Relying only on artificial tears while ignoring nutrition allows dry eye disease to progress and become chronic. And here's the open thought to carry with you. If your eyes are drying out, what other parts of your body might be quietly asking for nourishment too? If this helps you see dry eyes differently, please like and share this video with someone who struggles silently. And subscribe now, because in the next chapter, we lines uncover a common healthy drink that may actually worsen dry eyes after 60 and almost no one connects it to vision loss.